Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean your RV water heater. RV water heaters should be cleaned at least once per year. If you are a seasonal camper, we recommend cleaning the water heater right after you take it out of winter storage. Tools needed for RV water heater maintenance include a special tank rinsing tool, an air compressor, and if you have a Suburban water heater, you will need a replacement anode rod. Before cleaning your RV water heater, turn it off and allow enough time for the water to cool. Then test the hot water from an indoor tap to verify that the water in the tank is no longer warm. Then, locate and open the water heater access on the outside of your RV. Flip up the lever on your pressure relief valve to remove any pressure from the water heater. Next, use an air compressor to remove debris from the burner tube and the burner chamber as shown in this video. Simply blow compressed air for a minute or two into these areas to clean debris from your RV water heater. Next, locate the plug or anode rod and use a socket or wrench to loosen it until it is hand tight. Then use one hand to lift the pressure relief valve and finish removing the plug or rod with your other hand. Allow the water heater to completely drain. Once the water heater is empty, connect the rinsing tool to a garden hose. Put the wand into the hole where the plug was removed. Moving the tool around, run water into the water heater for a few minutes or until the water coming out is completely clean. Turn off the hose and allow any water to fully drain out. Once the water heater has fully drained, reinstall the plug. Place the plug back in and use your hand or wrench to tighten it in place. Then flip the pressure relief lever back down. If your water heater has an anode rod, the rod needs to be replaced if it is more than 75% deteriorated. The final step is to use an all-purpose cleaner and a rag to wipe down all the components of your RV water heater. Just spray the rag and clean the water heater, avoiding electrical wires. Now your annual RV water heater service is complete. Let us know if you have any questions.